Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the CFST column, short column, with ultra high performance concrete as a core material and a steel tube here. You can see this is the steel tube and this is the ultra high performance concrete. Now let me to click on this and let me first check the concrete material. This is the concrete and this is the compression. You can see the compression here. Okay, this is the compression and this is the plastic strain for the concrete displacement. And let me now check the steel tube. This is the steel tube. You can see this is the displacement. The stress is more than the concrete, and the ductile damage. You can see the damage also happened 58 or 60% damage happened for the steel, the outer part. And also we can check important things, and that's the force displacement diagram. You can see by increasing the displacement the force increases till here. This is the maximum capacity, 8.3 meganewton for that short column. And after that we have the failure. You can see the failure here, decrease in the capacity and in the stiffness, and you can see that. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or if you can't find this, search this title here in the search section and the website, and then you will find it. Click on the blue sign or on the title, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, material model, steps, interactions, and the load, and then the result as figures here. You can see that. At the end, there are three important points. The file contains CAI and plain English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't Bitcoins, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing through a PayPal account. Thank you for attention.